Hello, welcome to a new lesson of this English course for beginners. Today we will learn how to use the verb to be and how to conjugate it in a good way. Let's begin.
We have three different options. One is. M, R. R. We use the three ways to conjugate the verb to be in simple present with different subjects. For example, am, I am. She, he, and it with is. She is, he is, it is. We are, you are, they are. In negation, when we are creating negative sentences, we say, I'm not. I am not. I'm not. I am not. She is. He's not. She isn't. Isn't. They are not. We're not. They aren't. Aren't. Whatever option you use is perfect. Now, we use the verb to be in simple present in some specific situations. For example, when we are speaking about the occupation. When we mention the occupation of a person, teacher, secretary, singer, doctor, housewife, the age, 25 years old, 17, 50 years old. Nationalities, from Colombia, Mexican, from Canada. Adjectives, beautiful, delicious, tall, short, timid. And the location of a noun. In the restaurant, in the park. Let's continue. Let's see some examples in affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and questions with the verb to be. Affirmative sentences. For example, she is a doctor. They are singers. I am a housewife. Age. Maria is 17 years old. We are 45 years old. Nationalities. My father is Mexican. My friends are from Mexico, from Colombia. Adjectives. My husband is tall. My husband is he. He is tall. My dog is old. My dog is it. It is old. The cars are big. The cars, that is a word in plural. They are big. And to finish, examples with location, about location. My phone is in the back. My phone is in the back. They are in the park. Negative sentences with the verb to be. Occupations. They aren't nurses. I am not a teacher. Age. She is not 25 years old. Nationalities. We're not, or we are not. We are not from Colombia. Adjectives. The day isn't cold. English is not difficult. And location. He's not at home. They aren't in the office. Examples in questions, interrogative sentences. Occupations. Is he a driver? Is your mother 50 years old? Are you from Colombia? Is the day hot? Are your friends tall? Is he at home? The questions with the verb to be are very simple because, for example, we say she is 46 years old. This is our affirmative sentence, right? To create the negation, we say she isn't or she is not, okay, 46 years old. And this is our negative sentence. To create the question is very easy because we change the location of the verb to be and we put it before the subject. Before, for example, we say verb to be is she 46 years old? And this is our question. Yes, she is. No, she is not. She isn't. This is the answer. No, she isn't. Or yes, she is. Be careful. I will show you examples about some common mistakes that people usually make. For example, I have 27 years old. Incorrect. I am 27 years old. I am 25 years old. She is 17 years old. They are 27 years old. The cat is old. Incorrect. The cats are old. You are happy? That is not a question. This is incorrect because the structure of a question is different. This is an affirmative sentence. You are happy, I am happy, they are happy. In a question we say, are you? Are you happy? Is she happy? Are they happy? My house not is big. Incorrect. My house is not big. She are a good friend. She is a good friend. And the last example, my mother and my sister is in the park. Mother and sister, two people. They are in the park. Two people. They are in the park. I have one more example. I have cold. I have cold. This example is incorrect because when we use adjectives in English with the verb to be, for example, in Spanish we say tengo frío, tengo calor, tengo hambre, we use the verb to be. For example, in this case, I am cold, I am hungry, I am hot, I am sleepy.
Hi there. I am Jessica. I am a fan of your cafeteria. Your coffee is very delicious and the music you play here is amazing. Is the coffee that you use here from Colombia?
Hello, Jessica. I'm Luis. Nice to meet you. I am the waiter of this cafeteria. This is a good place for those who love to drink a delicious Colombian coffee. Everything here is delicious.
That's great. Colombian coffee is delicious. We are from Colombia.
Oh, really? That is great. Many people in this neighborhood are from Colombia. We are happy to have you all here. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you. You are very kind.
This is the end of this lesson. Remember to practice with the exercise you will find in the first comment of this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.